What's up, guys? Steve here for Card Breaking Nail, getting ready for the last Matthews Raz here. This one determines the winner. Top name after 4 is going to get the card. Good luck, good luck. Nice little rookie card here for Matthews. It is, what time? 7:40 in Newfoundland. Scott is in first, and Scott is in last place. We're going to do the 4 random top name after 4. Good luck. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Third timestamp is at 7:40. 7:40 it is. Last and final top name taking home Matthews. Here we go. And there you have it, man. Andrew, last due to pay, takes home the card. Congrats, man. Spot 7. The lucky spot 7. Everybody's favorite. Congrats. I will. I don't think I have your shipping address, Andrew. So you can get me your shipping address, and I'll get it to the person shipping at the card. 7:40 and 7:40 on the clock. So congratulations again, Andrew, and spot 7 taking home the Matthews card. Please get me your address, and we'll get that card out to you on Tuesday morning since Monday's a holiday. Cheers, guys. Thanks.